hope I found the correct way to go. Yeah, so we can always take like 2 hours to get there. It's probably going to be fine. Yep. Yep, I'm already filming.
Are you?
Yeah, I am.
Amazing.
He's a friend of ours we met today.
Yes.
So we're going to explore the city together. Sort of.
A little adventure here.
Wait, this is...
This is Daring. This is the Daring is the other way. The Dutch office was the east.
Yeah, that way. Doesn't matter. It's both. No, it's both the same way.
Sure.
Right? Yeah.
Okay, that's the big one, and there's always a map on the.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. So we go from here to here or to here. If we miss this, we go here. We'll see. Okay, on to line 1 it is. That's a long way upstairs, man.
Check out.
No. It's not like the NS, Victor. It's different.
I'm used to me.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, there is, definitely.
Oh well, that's not too much. That could be worse. I'm used to this kind of metro. Although the station wasn't that big.
No. Okay, so now we need to go to... Yeah, Dangang. Right.
Wait, we can look it up. So did you say look it up over there?
No, it's still fine. It still shows. What's up? What's up, Liverpool?
What up? Nice little crowded space here.
Yeah, it's spacious, huh?
Yeah.
How are you holding out, Victor? Are you fainting already? His arm is probably falling off, or not?
Yes. He's trying to be a man, but he will survive.
He won't survive.
Okay, crowded.
Oh, nice.
Good place. Most people are actually going to be able to get home. No, easily.
They'll push you out.
They will push you out. You're in the way. Exactly.
So we got off, finally,
Survived.
and now we're heading towards the shopping mall
Yeah.
to see what happens.
Some shopping guys. See where we actually need to go after this. See the building, this shopping mall. I do not see the building.
Not yet, but we will see the building soon.
Okay. You need to be patient.
Of course, patience is key in this sort of thing.
Yes. Say smile, smart.
Yeah, they're smiling, so must be that we are in a good station.
Yeah.
Well, if we had Wi-Fi, I could have checked, but you know, we'll see. Oh, this smells amazing. This looks amazing. That looks so good. Goddamn. Victor, that food looked fucking amazing. Yeah. synchronized movement. Everybody is walking in the same pace. So funny. That's pretty big.
Give me for size
Victor for size. It's not a fair comparison, but okay.
Well, look at that.
This is crazy.
You're like this tiny compared to the fucking.
Yeah.
Yeah, fucking hell.
We got food here as well.
Yeah, shall we actually get some food?
You want to try here?
Or inside, I don't know, I don't mind. Well, for fat people, there's definitely an option.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
McDonald's.
Let's try it here, I think. It would be fun to actually use it.
Let's see. Oh, that's like an egg sandwich. That looks pretty nice. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. One of those. Yeah, that one. It's pretty good.
Yeah, that's simply fresh, which is good.
Yeah, it's on now.
Nice. Sitting in the tray. Take a tray. Very nice. You have to fill the empty tray compared to the full tray.
This is what an empty fucking train looks like. You can get a party going here.
Yeah, you get some empty space.
Like with 20 people or something. I don't know.
You can fit one, you can easily fit 30 people in there.
Maybe more.
You have space to actually jump around.
But you need to put a bar in this as well. So.
Yeah. Well, still 30. Still fit.
Yeah.
The DJ area here. The Gibson space, I cut it off there. Put the bar on the other side. Perfect.
That's quite good.
Some extra stereos that play the Korean announcement music too.